Today, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and a little quick review of this keyboard that I bought from Newegg. Bought it for my granddaughter, actually. It's a let me look it up so I can tell you exactly. I'm going to leave a link in the description below on the keyboard itself where to get it. It wasn't expensive. That's the cool part, is it actually was, it wasn't, it was, I'll tell you exactly how much it was. The keyboard at Newegg, it's some Chinese brand, it's a RAJFOO Cyborg Soldier backlit multimedia ergonomic USB gaming keyboard. It's 32 bucks. This thing, now, I have a mechanical keyboard that I use. And honestly, I like the lights come through the letters on my keyboard. It's black keys, but it's a white keyboard with black keys. My granddaughter, she turned 13, and she's she's like, I want an Apple, I want to, all this stuff. And I'm a PC guy, so it ain't happening. I'm not getting a Mac, but I thought, what I'll do is I got her a white gaming mouse. She likes to game too. She likes to play Battlefield and stuff like that with me. She likes to play Battlefield and stuff like that. Anyway, so I bought her a gaming mouse, and it's a optical gaming mouse. It's a nice mouse too. Just it's got LED lights in it and stuff like that. But anyway, this keyboard just came. This took forever to get here. It took like 2 weeks for this thing to arrive, which is unusual. But anyway, because it came from Hong Kong, and I wasn't expecting much because it's 32 bucks. I think my mechanical keyboard was like $45 or $55 or something like that. But it's just a rainbow. The only thing you can do with mine is just make it fade up and down and turn the colors on and off, and that's it. It doesn't allow you to change the colors. This one here, she didn't want the rainbow. She's like, I don't want a rainbow one like yours. She said, I want just one solid color. I said, okay. So anyway, so I got this keyboard thinking I was going to get 32 bucks, $33 or whatever, plus shipping or whatever, from China. Anyway, so it came in just a simple black box. All the writing is Chinese on it, front and back. There's all Chinese writing. There's no English writing except for RAJFOO or whatever for the website. So let me open it up and show you what this thing looks like. I was pretty impressed. It's a nice. It just comes in a bag. It comes with two pieces of brochure writing, and they're both in Chinese. So there's this one here, and it says, it says, the only thing that says space, left, down, control, caps lock, shift, L, A, Z, W, but then everything else is Chinese, so I have no idea what it's saying. And then this brochure is also completely in Chinese. So completely in China. So it's completely Chinese. I have no idea. But it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a keyboard, right? So take a look at the keyboard, which is really nice. I was surprised at what great quality this keyboard was. It's white. It's completely white. Except for a couple little black spots right there and that little spot right there. But it's got like a white clear acrylic or plastic underneath, and that's what the light reflects off of, is the acrylic underneath. And it glows different colors. So I'm going to plug it in and show you what the colors it does. Here it is lit up, but you can change the colors. You can change the brightness by hitting function and up and down. And you can change the colors. There's blue, and it changes to breathing. So it's breathing orange, or you can go single color breathing, function and the 1, and it'll go up and down multicolor, breathe through the different colors. And then that's single color breathing. Let me turn my let me close my window so make it a little bit darker in here so you can see it better. So now you can see the colors and you can change it to where it scrolls through the colors. Oh, like there's just changing the colors. So there's red, purple, blue, red, purple, blue. So you can have it just do one color and fade back and forth or whatever. It's really cool. Anyway, I got to charge my battery, so I'll